Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I am going to tell you how to fix unable to accept new iCloud terms and conditions on iPhone or iPad. But first, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more upcoming videos. So let's start the video without wasting any time. Many users are encountering an issue when trying to accept the new iCloud terms and conditions on their iPhones or iPad. Instead of successfully accepting the terms after clicking continue, the process fails. A message appears stating, "This action cannot be completed at this time." The only option provided is to click OK, which dismisses the message but does not fix the problem. So for the first fix, I'm going to tell you how to update your iPhone or iPad. For this, go to Settings, go to General, go to Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process and you are done. Once your device is updated, try accepting the terms again. In most cases, this resolves the error and restores normal iCloud functionality. Now for the next fix, you can turn off VPN and try again. If you are using a VPN on your iPhone or iPad, it might interfere with the connection required to accept the iCloud terms and conditions. Now to make sure if your VPN is off, go to Settings, go to VPN, make sure your VPN status is not connected and you are done. Once the VPN is turned off, try accepting the iCloud terms and conditions again. Now for the next fix, I'm going to tell you how to change your connection type. Switching your internet connection type can help resolve the issue. If you're using Wi-Fi, open the Control Center by swiping down from the top right corner. Tap on the Wi-Fi icon to disable it and turn on the mobile data option and try accepting the iCloud terms and conditions again and you're done. By trying these fixes, you should be able to resolve the issue and regain full access to iCloud services on your iPhone or iPad. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.